Hey guys, I'm John Mack. I'm one of the developers on SoundShapes. I'm going to show you the editor today. I'm going to make like a one-screen demo with some music, and then we'll play through the level. So let's get to it. All right, so just check we got sound. Sounds good. All right, let's do this. So here's my toolbox. Like when you start the level, it's all blank like this. You can go in here and you have your toolbox. You have a bunch of instruments to play around with. Some terrain entities, creatures that make sounds. I'll get into this. Well, you'll see me using it, so it'll become apparent. All right, let's just start a little minimal here. And then we'll bring it together at the end. So let's get some texture going here. So soothing. I try not to be so sarcastic. So I'm going to bust in some terrains here just to give a little space for the player to jump on, just kind of set up the level a little bit. I mean, it's cool because you can sort of make the level, you can make the music first and then make the level around it, or what I'm doing here, I'm sort of making the level first and then I'll add in the music, kind of whatever strikes your fancy, whatever inspires you. I'm just going to break out this little gear thing. Okay, it's pretty sparse right now. There's some pixels from Super Brothers. Collaborated with Jim Guthrie for the Super Brothers Jim Guthrie record in the game. So what's cool about some of these entities is you can kind of record your own pattern onto them. I'll just demonstrate that now. I'll just do something crazy. Yeah, let's just stick with that. I don't know. If you're not too terrible. Get some hi-hats going. Maybe I should have put those last because I'm going to put some notes down later. These are Pixel Jam pixels. So 2 schools of thought on the pixels here. There's like different colors you can play with. I kind of like this monochrome one, but you know, there's colors from all throughout the game that you can try. Just gonna stick it here. All right, let's start adding in some stuff here. Let's get a beat going. This beat, courtesy of deadmau5. Yeah. Let's do a little something. Yeah, there. You know, I changed my mind. I'm gonna calm this down a bit. So you can hear the drums a bit better. Alright. Oops. So I'm using the back touch to move and stretch, like resize and rotate things. But you can also use the D-pad and analog sticks, so you can get like really fine control. It's kind of nice to have that combination. Alright, let's get some vocals going. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to put the spawn point down and give the level a shot. So I just press this button. There. Oh man, hold on. So you just go in and out of editing like that. It's really quick iteration. You don't have to like load the level to play everything. Like the juicy, tasty little notes. That's cool. Okay, so we can fill out our level. So the stuff in this category is all decorations. It doesn't make music, but it's sort of there to just let you visually fill out your level. Just splatter these stars everywhere. Mix them up a bit there. Some clouds. Vic Cloud, Vic from Kathy. Did some art for a game. He's also doing art for Super Time Force. Plug. Alright, so let's check this out. Yeah, it's really easy to make the level here. You can also go and sort of scroll around and sort of make the level as big as you want. Let's try some other stuff here. Let's get some crazy beats. I like the crazy beats. So, there's some crazy beats for you. So these, oh actually I guess I should tell you about these. These are loop notes. I've been putting loop notes down. I just put them all in a row. You hear like, sort of plays a different loop. But what's cool about them is you can sort of mix and match between the rows and get these really neat. I'm just sort of doing this randomly, seeing what happens. Kind of like a little warped drum beat there. Pretty cool. Oops, I'm not sure if maybe you'll hear this. Turn up the bass if you can. Just a little bass sound. It's cool. So you can you have control of the BPM and the transpose and the scale. You can change those. So try a little slower maybe. This is the underwater mode. I guess I don't have enough on. Let's try it a little faster. Sometimes you just gotta speed it up or slow it down, you know? Just give it a shot. A lot of fun experimentation to do. So yeah, that's the editor. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Did I cover everything?
Yeah.
PlayStation